Saturn, the crown jewel of our solar system, isn't the only planet with rings. And yet, its ring system is so spectacular it's become synonymous with the planet. And rightfully so. Its 175,000-mile-long ring system has an average vertical height of just 30 feet. How is that possible? How did it form? What's it made of? What other surprises does Saturn hide? Let's find out together as we discover the mysteries of the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn, named after the Roman god of agriculture and wealth, was the furthest planet from the Earth discovered by the unaided human eye. When Galileo looked up to the heavens in 1610 and saw Saturn, his original assumption was that the rings were two distinct planets orbiting around. It wasn't until Christiaan Huygens in 1655 made the claim that it wasn't another celestial body, but rather a disk of material surrounding the planet. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system and is made up almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. It's hard to imagine, but Saturn is the only planet in our solar system with a density less than water, meaning it could float in a bathtub if a colossal thing existed. Saturn has 146 moons, and several of them could potentially harbor life. A day on Saturn is equal to 10.7 hours on Earth, and a year is equivalent to 29 Earth years. Saturn's rings are thought to be pieces of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons ripped apart by Saturn's massive gravity. They are made up of billions of small chunks of ice and rock. While some are as large as mountains, most of the ring particles range from tiny, dust-sized ice grains to chunks as big as a house. There are 7 rings that make up the main ring system, each of which orbits Saturn at a different speed. New research from NASA and its partners suggests that Saturn's rings could have formed from a collision of 2 icy moons a few hundred million years ago. It's also theorized that the collision of the 2 stars caused the debris to hit other moons in the system, causing a cascade of collisions. The research does show that the formation of the ring system was formed recently. While there are many more mysteries yet to be discovered, it's worth spending time and reflecting on how far we've come to understand about the most regal planet in our solar system. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.